Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new tutorial for you guys. Happy Sunday. I wanted to do something fresh, something fun, and super easy so anyone could achieve it. I decided to create this look using this product right here. I'll list everything down below, so no worries if you don't understand what I'm saying. I do speak really fast sometimes. Everything's listed down below for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell just so that you can be updated with my videos. I do upload every Sunday, but hit that notification bell so you stay updated. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I'm just gonna do my base real quick. I'm gonna fast forward through this process just because nothing changed. I still use all the same products. So I'm just gonna do that really quick and then I'll show you how to do the eye part.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So I decided to include the blushes that I'm going to be using today just because I've never used these ones yet. I have swatched them, but I haven't used them. So I thought it would be nice to use these today. So it's a duo, but I'm just going to use the blush side. I'm going to use one of these kind of little like fluffy brush like this. And I'm going to go into this shade here. Just a apply it. Bring it up to the temples. Wow, the shade is actually really pretty. Has a little bit of a glitter in it, but it's not too much. It's really pretty. Okay, bring it up to the temples. I'm just gonna add a tiny little bit on my nose. Like that. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna use this one here, which is by Wet n Wild. It is the Blossom Glow highlight. I'm just gonna use the other part of the brush and just add my highlighter a bit. I'm not gonna add too much just because the blush is already like sparkly, so I don't want it to be too much. And we're done. The base is good. So I brought you guys closer so you guys can see the eyes better. First thing I'm gonna start with is eye primer. So I'm going to be using this one here, which is my Wet n Wild eyeshadow base. And I'm just gonna use a tiny little bit, like literally just a little bit. And then add that to my eye base. Same thing with the other eye. Today we're just focusing on one product only, actually two. I'll say two because I do bronze my eyes a bit, but the main goal is this guy right here. So this is by the brand Ciate, if I'm saying that correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's the shadow flip. It's multi-chromatic shifting liquid shadows. They're really nice. I'll do a little swatch so you guys can see. And it's so easy to achieve looks with these because you don't really need many products. So if you see, it has multi-chrome effect, which is so beautiful. It looks purple, and then some places look more like a dark brown, and then some other places look like a green. It's gorgeous. So we're gonna be using this guy here today, and honestly all you need is two brushes and your finger. So super easy to achieve. Anyone can do this. First thing I'm gonna do is just bronze my crease. So I'm just gonna go back in with my iconic London bronzer. It'll look like that. And I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just gonna do the crease part here. So we don't want to go too heavy with this. We want to keep it really light just because we don't want it to be focused on the crease. We want it to be more focused on the multi-chrome. So just a light just to give definition and dimension into this look. So just a bit like that. We'll do the same with the other eye. Like that. And now we're gonna put in this guy on your lid first. So just put it all over your lid. And what I like is that this this like little brush thing, it's so easy to get the corners and everything. So it's not a very difficult product to work with. So it's just gonna look like this at first. You can use a brush and just pat it on. Like this. And then just with your finger, just lightly push it in. So it'll look like that. So now we're gonna go back to the bronzer with this brush here and just put it on top, just gently, just to blend it in. Like that. So I'm just gonna add in a bit more product work with it, add more if you like. It's honestly up to you. I do want it to be more glammed up, so slightly tap it. It just looks like that. Really pretty. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll do some lashes. Simple. So now that my lashes are just drying up with the glue on it, I do like to give it about 2-3 minutes to dry up. I'm just gonna do my lower lash line. I don't want anything too heavy, so I'm just gonna go back with the bronzer, and I'm just gonna use a little fluffy brush like that, a little blending brush, sorry, and I'm just gonna do the under eye area. Same thing here. Nothing too heavy, just very lightly. Alright. So now that is done. Our eyes are now completed. See, super easy. I'm just gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna fast forward through this part too, add my lashes, and then we'll move on to the lips.
Artlist.io.
Also just gonna like brighten the under eye area. So I'm going to use this palette today, which is the Cover FX palette. This one is Perfector Face Palette, and I'm just gonna use this finishing powder right here and the brightener right here. So I'm just gonna mix those two together, and I'm just gonna dab it under the eye. I'm just gonna remove whatever fallout there was from that bronzer, just like that. And it just gives a little bit more of a brightening effect too, which is nice. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but it really brightened up my under eye, so I love this palette. Now I'm gonna add on the lashes. Again, I'll do the lashes off camera just because I'm not really good at adding lashes on, but you could always leave them just with mascara. It still looks really cute without it, but I'm extra, so I'm gonna go put some lashes on. Actually decided to put on some faux freckles just to kind of give this look a bit more like innocent vibes, I guess. But I actually really like it. Cute. So I use this pen right here, which is by Colourpop Cosmetics. It's their freckle pen, so it's actually super easy to do these looks. And yeah, I'm liking it. It's cute. So now I'm gonna do the lips. Before doing the lips though, I'm gonna set my face, and I'm gonna use my trusty Maven Beauty Rose Setting Mist, or setting spray, sorry. I'm just gonna... Today I'm gonna use these two products right here. I'll be using the Appeal Cosmetics lip liner. This is in Next Level, and then the NARS Power Matte, I believe it's called, Power Matte Lip Pigment, and Give It Up. It's such a beautiful color, and it complements this eye so well. So first, I'm gonna start with the lip liner. They'll look like this. And then I'm gonna go into the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Just add that in the middle. So it'll look like that. So the best thing to do wearing a matte is not to smudge your lips together, it's just to let it dry. So just let it dry normally, just fan it so it dries down, because the moment that you smudge your lips together, the lip color is not as pigmented, so you're breaking through the color and it doesn't look as good. So this is a trick I learned, to just leave it like this. Alright, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I'm trying to keep things as simple as possible for you guys so anyone can follow this tutorial. And I really like it. I love how it brightens up your face. It makes you look young and fresh, and that's my go-to vibes. And I actually would wear this literally every day, minus the lashes, but just wearing it just for a nice girl day out, for some brunch with friends. This will be really cute. You guys recreate this look, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. That would be super cool. I can't wait to see you guys achieve this look, and I hope everyone has a great Sunday and have a great day, okay? And enjoy. Bye.